My name's Maddie Brown, and we're at High Point University in North Carolina. They make the security really accessible, and I personally worked with the security, and they're really nice. So,
McKenna Adams.
Andrew Colleen.
High Point University. But I know at other schools, like when you take a tour, it makes you feel more secure to see them. So, yeah, it does.
Yes, I agree in the same sense. Just seeing them around campus, knowing that if there isn't security directly around, you can always stop and hit the button.
Yeah.
I'm Lindy Johnson. I'm the captain of Communications and Technology here at High Point University. Traditionally, High Point University has been a campus that was encapsulated by smaller residential properties. As we bought those up one by one and began to expand our campus, we had to make sure that we expanded our infrastructure at the same time. So network, electrical, and every other utility had to be expanded as we tried to push all of our safeguards out to the perimeters of campus. Here at High Point University, we have several different Talkaphone devices. We have our ETP 400D, the dual button emergency phone that works over the POTS line. We use the VoIP 500D at our newer locations. We have the tower units as well as the wall mounted units throughout campus. The unit that I'm standing in front of right now was a challenge here at High Point University. As you can see, the field behind me, the buildings are pretty much where our network stops. In order to put this tower at the perimeter of our campus so that our athletes at the intramural fields would feel protected, we had to do a directional board to make sure that we could get the data and the electrical out here to power this unit. The user interface for programming the ETP 400D through a standard POTS line is simple to use. It's very easy once you've identified the functionality that you want in the phone to be able to have it respond in the way that you're expecting. The voice over IP 500D web interface is also very easy to use for anybody who may be working with programming. Talkaphone makes it easy to upgrade your campus if you're using a competitor's product. Because of the faceplate design, you can easily put this faceplate into a pole that may have been provided by a competitor and may be a legacy there on your campus. You can also order the Talkaphone towers with the base settings from a different competitor's pole so that you don't have to re-pour the standard base that's supporting the pole. We contacted Talkaphone when we looked into using voice over IP across campus through our emergency phones. When we contacted them, they were very quick to send us a demo so that we could bench test here and answered all of our questions so that we could have an easy implementation. Talkaphone is definitely the industry standard for emergency phones, and it's also become the High Point University standard because of its ease of implementation, its reliability, and functionality. We have made that the gold standard.